Hello everyone, welcome to the Farming 4.0 channel. Today we invite you to discover a fascinating process. We will explore every step, from raising sheep to processing wool in a modern mill. If you enjoy this type of content and want to stay updated with our latest videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Let's get started. Young sheep, known as lambs, spend the first months of their lives alongside their mothers and other mature sheep, learning essential behaviors and adapting to their environment. They grow in flocks, developing social bonds, and learning to defend against predators. Farmers ensure they receive quality food and regular medical care to grow up healthy. As they grow, sheep are fed a balanced diet rich in necessary nutrients for optimal development. While grazing in fields, they contribute to soil health and the maintenance of the ecosystem. Farmers closely monitor their health, ensuring they receive all the necessary vitamins and minerals. When sheep reach maturity, they are prepared for shearing, an important step for their health and comfort. Shearing ensures efficient wool harvesting and minimizes discomfort for the animals. Expert farmers use modern shearing techniques to maximize wool quality and reduce stress for the sheep. These stages are essential for efficient wool harvesting and maintaining animal welfare. Each step contributes to obtaining high-quality wool. And in our video, we will explore all these aspects in detail, demonstrating the importance of careful raising and proper care of sheep. After sheep shearing, wool is sorted based on quality and type. Factors such as fiber length, fineness, and cleanliness are evaluated to separate superior quality wool from inferior grades. Impurities like vegetation and dirt are removed to ensure that only the highest quality fibers are processed further. The sorted wool undergoes processing in machines that open up the fibers and align them uniformly into a web. This step transforms the wool into long, fluffy strips called rovings, which are prepared for spinning. Carding is crucial for achieving uniformity and preparing the wool for the spinning process. Rovings are spun into yarn. This process involves stretching and twisting the fibers to create strong and elastic yarns. There are two main spinning methods, manual and mechanized. Manual spinning is done using a spinning wheel or spindles, while mechanized spinning is carried out with automated machines. ensuring fast and efficient production of wool yarns. The thickness and quality of the yarns are carefully controlled during this process. These steps are essential in transforming raw wool into high-quality yarns ready for use in various wool products such as clothing, carpets, or blankets. Each step requires expertise and attention to detail to ensure that the final product is durable and of superior quality. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.